Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis several times in the past, did it last week, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated from more so a big picture point of view, so that's why the chart is a little smaller, as you see, kind of scrunched up. And the reason for this is, and I should take a step back, from a presentation standpoint where I sit, things are pretty tricky right now because there is a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, let's just say, for example, that you are a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there, or who knows, maybe you bought right there, day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you wanted to sell within, 25 minutes after buying. Well, then, yeah, for you in that situation, the chart looks really, really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. There has been a deeper pullback from its highs. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as you have higher bases being built over longer periods of time, that's the name of the game. That's how truly strong moves are built, truly strong uptrends. And in this situation, even with a big pullback, the bulls do still have an opportunity, and that opportunity revolves around that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic, very surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is above it, you want to see the price stay above it, because that implies that the overall trend is still technically bullish. And like you see here, the bulls are still up above it, and they still have plenty of opportunity to stay above it. So assuming, like I said, you care about the big picture, then yeah, the bulls do still have a chance to continue on with the overall trend. Now, again, I'm well aware that if you are a day trader and you bought, somewhere up around here, and you're a flipper, you bought right there, then yeah, you really don't care about this 200 period. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making these comments from a big picture perspective. So sure, the past few days, the price has pulled back. But think about that, a few days, just a few. When you look at multiple days, multiple weeks like we're doing right here, you can see the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. And that's the name of the game. So yeah, going forward, I would definitely consider that, the pink line there, the must-hold level for the reasons we've just discussed. And so far, so good. The price is holding up above it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.